Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Delta Force game crashing or not launching or lagging or stuck on loading screen error on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PlayStation. So this is one of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PlayStation. It will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. So you need to simply open PS5 and then click on PlayStation button on controller. After that select power and then click on restart PS5. So after restarting PS5, now try to launch the game and check if the issue is resolved. If not, the second solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. So for that, go to settings and network settings and set up network connection. After that, click on options over here. Then under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. And after that, check if the problem is resolved or not. The next solution is to rebuild database. For that you first need to switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occurs. After that leave the power button to enter safe mode. And here you need to connect DualSense controller via USB cable and after that select rebuild database. So once done, now try to play the game and check if it has resolved the issue. Next solution is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update for the game and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working or not. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, first you need to go to settings, then user accounts, then move down to others on the left panel and then select restore licenses. From here you need to select the game and finally click on restore. So after restoring the licenses, now try to play the game and check if it has resolved the issue. Next is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, it can uh, occur problem while playing the game. So make sure to try it cool down for some time before you use it. This will surely help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. So for that open PS5 settings, then go to system. After that select language option in the left sidebar. Now select current language. Once done, change for any other and then if the issue is resolved. Next is how to sign in to PS5. So for that go settings, users and accounts. After that go down and click on other option. Next click on sign out. After signing out from PS5, now wait for some time and again log into your PS5 account using your username details and then check for the error if resolved or not. Next is to install software updates on PS5. So for that go to settings on your PS5, select system. Now go to system software and then click on system software update and settings. Next select update system software if any update is available. And finally you need to select update using internet option. So after updating the software on your PS5, now check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to reset your console settings. So for that open settings on your PS5, then go to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and finally click on restore option. So this will reset your console and after that try to play the game and check if it's working now. Next solution is to reinstall Delta Force. So first you need to highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now select delete and confirm it. After that restart your PS5 once and again install Delta Force game to check if it's working now. If not, the last method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. I have provided the link in the description, just go through it and after contacting them explain the issue you are coming across, and hopefully they will try to resolve the issue from their side and you can play the game without any problem further. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.